Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8A and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in a standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here. And as you can see, it gives us access to other options here, and now we are interested in this button from the left with settings. By tapping on this we get access to advanced camera settings, and now let's slide a little bit to the camera settings, and as you can see here at the second position we have the show grid lines button. So by tapping on this we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here, and for now I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it looks like on the camera view. So let's go back to the camera, and as you can see it generates us these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also, this is not visible at the picture, so when I take a photo and go to the preview here we don't see it. So these are help lines only, and of course when we don't need it we can turn it off by tapping on this button again, going to the settings, slide down and tapping on this button with show grid lines, and for now as you can see it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.